look like? Like a beach house. It would definitely look like this. So pretty. So beautiful. We're going. Everybody say hi. Yeah, I like this one. Everybody say hi. Say hello. Hello. What are we doing?
We're gonna do a selfie.
We're gonna be super healthy tonight and eat the kitchen sink. Okay, the kitchen sink.
And we do Logan.
Scoops of vanilla, chocolate, strawberry coffee, and mint chocolate chips smothered in every topping that they have. Here it is.
Give everybody here a big round of applause.
Amazing. Oh, good.
Okay. Laura's scooping all over, serving into the bowl. It looks so good.
Girl, that's not that much ice cream.
Okay, we're trying. That's really good. So good. I know. We're gonna be so full. I haven't had any like real food.
I know.
I had Rice Krispies treats today.
We made a sandwich.
We had a sandwich. The days are so busy.